Good evening. In India, November 11th is celebrated as National Education Day, considered to be one of the very important days that we celebrate in India. But what is the significance of this particular date? This day, that is November 11th, is the birth anniversary. India celebrates the birth anniversary of the first education minister of India, Abul Kalam Azad. So he was such a great and wonderful personality. Under his auspicious leadership, the first IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, was established in Kharagpur in the year 1950. And now we know, so what is a status of IITs in India? So this is the very important point. So you need to remember which day is celebrated as National Education Day and why, and who was the first education minister of India. So these are the 2 points that are important for the examination. Now I would like to open the document and show you the points related to this. So look at this on the screen. This is the great personality, Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Look at this. National Education Day is observed on November 11th every year. Please remember, it was a question as a part of GK in many examinations. Kindly remember this. And this is being celebrated since the year 2008. So please remember, at the time UPA government was there, headed by Dr. Manmohan Singh, and that government decided to celebrate November 11th, the birth anniversary of Shri Abul Kalam Azad, as a National Education Day, right? And this is to commemorate the birth anniversary of independent India's first education minister, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Please remember these 2 points. Very important. And kindly remember, whenever you talk something about education, then please recollect this great name, great personality. Look at this. During his tenure as the education minister, UGC was set up, AICTE was set up, Kharagpur IIT was set up, University Education Commission and Secondary Education Commission all were set up during his auspicious tenure. He also contributed to the establishment of the educational institutions like Jamia Millia Islamia, very important institution. This is located in New Delhi and you must be aware of this, and it was established during the tenure of Shri Abul Kalam Azad, and he is commonly remembered as Maulana Azad. So the word Maulana means our master, alright, and his contribution to establishing the education foundation in India is recognized by celebrating his birthday as National Education Day across the nation. Very important one. Please remember all these points for the purpose of examination. So that's about today's topic, and I'll be seeing you in the next session with other topics. Thank you so much. Take very good care.